In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Udemy using your password. Udemy is a popular online learning platform with thousands of courses across a wide range of topics. But before you can start learning, you need to know how to access your account. So let's get into it. Start by opening your browser and heading to udemy.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner of the screen. Click it, and a window will appear asking for your login details. Enter the email address associated with your Udemy account, followed by your password. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off. Then simply click the login button and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard where all your courses are waiting for you. A couple of quick tips before you go. Using a password manager can save you time by autofilling your details automatically. And always make sure you're on the official Udemy website to keep your account safe from phishing attempts. And that's all there is to it. Follow these simple steps and you'll be logged in and learning in no time. Thanks for watching and happy learning!